Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Guntar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will continue reteaching maths for standard 6 lesson number 10 mensuration. So the other part of after perimeter in this lesson we are going to learn is area. Now what is area? The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure, means how much area is inside the figure. Perimeter was just the boundary of the figure. Suppose if it is a rectangle, so the perimeter was just going around the boundary one time, but area will be the fully enclosed area, whatever is inside that part. And the formulas to remember is area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Now you know that the longer side of any rectangle is the length and the shorter side is the breadth. So now area of a rectangle is length into breadth. That will be 12 into 5. That will be 12 5s are 60. But the value is always written as SQ centimeters. SQ stands for square centimeter. So the unit is always written in square units. Why square? Because the length and breadth are double times, but we are taking it only one time, so we have to write it as square units. Always remember the unit is written this way, or 60 centimeter, you can put the sign of square on top like this also. Okay, next is the basic formula to be learnt is area of a square. Area of a square again, जैसे like for rectangle it was length into breadth, area of a square will be side into side, and as we know all the sides of the rectangle square are same, so it will be side into side. That will be 4 into 4, that will be 4 4s are 16, and what will be the unit is 16 square centimeter, or I can write 16 centimeter square. This is the basic value of finding the areas. After learning the basic concept of area, now when we have to find the question other way around. Now the area of a rectangular garden is 40 meters long, is 200 square meters, means here the area is given as 200 square meters and your length is given. Long means length. Find the width of the garden. Width means we have to find the breadth of the garden. It is the other way around. Now when we know that area of a rectangle, the formula is known to us, area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now here we don't have to find the area, we have to find the width. Width is means we have to find the breadth. Area is given as 200. So when we will refill, area is 200, length is equal to 40, and we have to find the breadth value. When it is this way round, we do it the other way. That means when it is multiplied, when we bring it on the other side of the equal to sign, we will be dividing to get the breadth. So 200 divided by 40, I can cut the zeros. 4 ones are and 4 fives are 20. So my breadth will be 5 meters. M, because this length was in meters and the area was in square meters. So when the other way round, instead of multiplying, we will divide to get my breadth value. The different type of sum. What is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land 50 meters long and 20 meters wide at the rate of rupees 8 per square meter? Now tiling a rectangular plot means we have to find the area, because tiling, whenever we do tiling, we will do in the full surface. So first we will find the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle will be length into breadth. So length is 50 meters long. So 50 multiplied by breadth is 20. 50 into 20. Put the 2 zeros and 5 twos are 10. So 1000 square meters. Now what do I have to do? I have to find the cost. The cost of tiling. Now cost of tiling will be the area into the rate. Now my area is 1000 and my rate is 8 per square meter. So I will multiply by 8. So 8 into 1000 will be 8000 rupees. So when we have to do these kind of sum, first we have to find the area and then we have to find the cost. One more different type of sum. A floor is 6 meters long and 3 meters wide. A square carpet of sides 2 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Now the floor is 6 meter and 3 meters long and wide. That means it is a rectangle. Okay, this is just a description of the floor. And then there is a carpet, square carpet laid in the middle of the floor. This is the carpet. We have to find the area which is not carpeted, means we have to find this remaining area. For this type of sum, first we will find the area of the floor, that means the area of the rectangle. Then we will find the area of the square carpet, and then we have to subtract. So first we will find area of the floor is equal to area of rectangle. Why rectangle? Because length and breadth is given. So that is length into breadth. So that is 6 into 3, 6 3s are 18 square meters. Next we will find the area of the carpet. Now carpet is a square carpet, that means we will find area of the square. What is the area of the square? Side into side. Now what is the area of this thing? 2. So 2 into 2, that is 4 square meters. Okay, now we found the area of the floor, we found the area of the carpet. Now we have to find the remaining area which is not carpeted. So area that is not carpeted will be area of floor subtract area of carpet minus. So now area of floor was 18 and area of the carpet is 4. So 18 minus 4 is 14 square meters.